Well, here's a classic 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. Beautiful, white on white. This car really looks great. Remember, we're going to look at the video here, but if you want to see more detailed photos of this car, click in the link right down below this video, and it'll take you to all of that information, plus the pricing on the car as well. Beautiful pearl white on the exterior, code correct, dark blue interior, and a beautiful white convertible top. Now, numbers matching, 350 cubic inch engine, automatic transmission, and posi rear end are all just make this car so perfect as a classic Corvette. Features include power steering, power brakes, power windows, AM/FM, cassette stereo, map light, and rear defrost. We know that the car was originally assembled on May 30th, 1975, and this 75 Corvette Convertible features the desirable power steering, and it's in overall good condition. The car's paint shows a good shine, side glass shows correct date codes, weather stripping is very good, and the rally wheels are in place. The interior of this car, well, it shows good condition leather seats, center console, dash pad gauges, very good to excellent door panels, and very good rear storage bins and added loop carpet. Other interior additions include an aftermarket AM/FM stereo and a wooden steering wheel. Numbers matching 350 cubic inch engine shows correct air cleaner, carburetor, intake manifold, valve covers, ignition shielding, exhaust manifolds, and radiator hoses. Blue spark plugs have been added, along with a passenger side mirror. So give us a call today here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. You can reach us at 770-414-5552. Remember, we have a great collection, one of the largest collections of classic pre-owned Corvettes that you'll ever see in the country. And we do business online every day, so we make that something you can do with ease, but most importantly with confidence. We ship nationwide, probably less expensive than you can imagine. So give us a call, or be sure to stop in and visit us if you're near Atlanta, or if you're passing through Atlanta. We'd love to see you here at buyavette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you real soon.